Hey everyone, so in this video I'll show you the best tool that basically converts your doodle into an AI generated image. So the name of the tool is Stable Doodle, which is from Stability AI. So just go to Google and type Stable Doodle. You'll be getting the first link, which is the official site where you can convert your sketches or doodles into AI images. And if you want to know more about this Stable Doodle thing, you can just click on the second link, and here it will clearly explain you what are the steps involved in creating this image. So here are some of the examples. So we will draw an image and we will have a prompt for that image, and then it will generate us AI images. So these are some of the examples that have over here, and in case if you want to know the technical details of how it works, you can just go here and see the GitHub documentation. So basically it's trained on stable diffusion, that's obvious. Okay, so now let's see how it works. So let's just go to Stable Doodle, and we will be getting an clean interface like this. We just have a pen and an eraser and a thing to clear the canvas. So if I just click on the pen and if I draw it, I can undo it or redo it and I can just clear it. So this is it, and below we will be having something called as enter a prompt and style. So in case if you want a style, like it's a 3D or it's an anime thing or it's a digital art, water paint, something, we have these many options. So if you want to add this, we can just add this. Okay, so I'll just go on with a doodle. Okay, I'll just basically draw a home. I'm not good in drawings, especially if I draw with mouse. It's nearly impossible to know what I'm drawing, but I will try. Okay, this is just a house. This is a pathway, I guess, and let me have some trees. Yeah, trees, bushes, something. Let me go with a prompt. Home with trees, and I will go with 3D model. Okay, so in case if you are wondering if this tool is fully free, no, it has some limits. You need to sign in to use it more, and after a certain time I think you need to pay for it, so it's not completely free. So once if you are done with the prompt, I'll just click on generate. So even though I gave the spelling of the trees wrong, it still generates it. So you can see, right, it basically matches it. Home, yeah, it's good. It's seriously so cool. You're able to get a image of from a doodle within seconds, and you can just save it. That's it. So that's it, guys. This is the tool, and I hope you would have found this video useful. Do check the playlist of my channel. I've done a lot of videos related to AI as well as programming. Check them out, subscribe me. Thanks for watching.